My name is Rajesh Kumar. I am a student of GNHM Kolkata. So as you already aware of coronavirus, and because of that, last night our Prime Minister announced a complete lockdown for next 21 days across the country. So because of that, we cannot go outside, we cannot attend our class. But still, in this kind of situation, I am attending my regular class as per my schedule. How? It's only possible because of our teacher. They are really working hard from their home. They are teaching us through online platforms such as Google Classroom, WhatsApp, etc. So we are attending our class through online platform from our home. So nowadays I really feel proud that I'm a part of GNHM Kolkata. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu Bhagwat. I am the student of Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. As we are fighting global epidemic COVID-19, so we are not able to attend the class and colleges. But I would like to thanks to whole entire team of our college. Especially I would like to thank to our teachers and faculties. They are providing us online classes. So we are doing regularly class, and thanks to our teachers to do this kind of things, because we are in the last semester and everything is going to well. Thank you so much for this facility. This is very beneficial for us. I just want to tell you that I am proud of myself that I am the student of Nanak.
Hey everyone, my name is Premji Sarkar. I'm the first year student of GNIHM Kolkata. As of now, due to the current lockdown situation, you all get to know that our college was remain closed since from a week. So after listening all those that our college will remain closed, we all got to get tense that how we cope up with the syllabus, because our syllabus is too huge. But as you all know, we are the part of GNIHM. If there is GNIHM, everything is possible. Our college, Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, has taken an initiative to take online classes through various platforms like Google Classroom, through WhatsApp, through online video calling sessions. And now every day we are doing those online classes on those platforms, and also getting the attendance over there. Every day teachers are giving us some assignments. We also have to submit those assignments over there. For this, I would like to thank our college administration, our respected teachers. They are working very hard for us for in this situation also. And always proud to say that GNIHM is unstoppable, and we are the part of that unstoppable journey. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Rishabh Ray. Well, it's been 15 days since our college is closed. Earlier I was very unhappy that now I'm not able to go to my college. I'm not able to cope up in the studies. What will happen to me? But I guess the recent actions and the recent decisions took by my college GNIHM is something to be appreciated of. Now I'm able to have my classes regularly. And the most important thing is that now I'm able to clear my doubts at that point of time only, because of this live interaction with the respected teachers. Well, I feel that there's a lot of difference between having a class on an online manner and on an offline manner. One can learn many things when he's doing his class on an offline manner. But depending upon the current situation of this COVID situation, epidemic situation of COVID, I guess this decision of conducting classes on an online manner is something to be appreciated of, because this was the only best shot. And I wanna sincerely thank each and everyone who supported it and who helped it implemented, my faculty members and my administrators. At last I just want to tell you people is that be safe, and let's hope that this epidemic situation of COVID-19 gets resolved in no time, because I in person I'm dying to get back to my college so that we all can just begin a normal life, and we all can be happy with all the daily routine and stuffs. That's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sneha Shah and I'm a student of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. So basically nowadays we are fighting with global epidemic COVID-19, and that's why we can't able to do our classes, and our college Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management has decided to provide us classes through online, like through Google Classmate app and also our WhatsApp group. I want to thank our whole faculty members who are doing so well and providing us the notes, which is very beneficial for us. And I I want to thank everyone and also the whole entire team of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. Lastly, I want to say, be at your home, stay safe and take care of yourself and your family members, and thank you everyone.
Hi guys, my name is Rahul and I am a student of GNIHM Kolkata. As everyone knows that this is a quarantine period, not only for India but all over the world, as we are fighting against COVID-19. And in this situation, we are not able to go to our college, attend our classes, but our college has taken a vital step to provide online classes to complete syllabus of their student by clearing their doubt. And all this happening on online medium via WhatsApp, Google Classroom, Zoom meeting, etc. Our teacher and faculties are working very hard and giving their great effort to provide these online classes. As these online classes are helpful to me, as I can live interact with my teacher and clarify my doubt if I have any. So I would like to thank all teachers of GNIHM who are providing these online classes by giving their great effort. And I am proud of it that I am a student of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, my name is Shruti Banerjee and I am pursuing hospitality and hotel administration from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. Since we all know we are suffering a very bad situation, that is COVID-19, but I want to thankful to my teacher and my faculty because they are taking online classes through WhatsApp and Google Classroom so that I can clear my doubts, I can prepare myself for my semester and I can learn at home still the bad situation. And I want to thankful to my teachers because they are taking a very good decision for us. Thank you teacher, thank you to my college. And last but not the least, stay safe, stay happy and please stay home. Bye.
Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're all good and strictly following our Prime Minister's appeal, being completely locked down in your homes. Friends, please trust me, the next 10 days is going to be very critical for us. Seeing all those doctors, officers, army personals when they are fighting at the front with this coronavirus. Our teachers also at the same time not step back, understanding our problems, that how they are going to complete the syllabus. In this situation, they try to reach us through online studies. Friends, from the last few weeks I have been doing the online classes and found myself very comfortable with them. They tried all the best suitable technologies, WhatsApp, Zooms, Google Classes, and they are sharing the PDFs, files, all the questions, MCQs, and we are doing the assignments online and doing them a mail. We are enjoying this situation. They have just made the studies fun for us. And I have been seeing them from the last few weeks. They are really working very hard on each and every students, trying to make the concepts clear in all the best possible ways that they could. So I, Akshay, on behalf of my MBA batch of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, salute each and every teacher and this institute from the depth of my heart. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am, thanks a lot, and I'm proud of being a part of this family. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Pushpin Sahu, first year BHMCT from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. As we all know that we are going through a critical condition due to the spreading of coronavirus. To overcome this problem, our Prime Minister has decided for the complete lockdown so that the virus can be sustained until unless the cure has been found. Due to this lockdowns, we students can't go for the college, nor we can continue our education. To overcome this problem, our teacher and faculty staff has decided to introduce us to the online platforms like Google Classroom, WhatsApp, emails. I am so thankful for my teachers that in this situation they are still educating us and guiding us. I am glad to be a part of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. At last, I will only like to say, be home and be safe. And once again, thank to all my teachers and my faculty staff. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Simran Khatun. I am first year student of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata. As we all know that our offline classes are not going on due to pandemic situation of COVID-19. So our college, Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, took a great initiative to take online classes on regular basis in different platforms, Google Classroom and WhatsApp group. And our faculties are working hard to make us understand each and every topic. They are providing us PDF notes and assignments. I would also like to thank our college hardworking administrator and our respectful teacher, who all of them are with us in this situation also.